James to take the leader. It's now King James in the early going, moving up by the wheel now Sky Wolf. Then followed by Smart Relax, but back now Yang Bone Young moving up now. He's Buntai Short and followed by King of the Future. While Boss Papale is running in a tail of the field, King James leads by 4 lengths now, followed by Smart. Then followed now by entry number 3A, that's Buntai Sure. And towards the last 400 is still King James, leads by 4 lengths, followed by Smart and Buntai Sure running in third, down in fourth, Sky Wolf. Around the outside now is Star of the Future, but it's still King James. It's King James, followed by Smart, Buntai Sure. And down the stretch they go. It is still King James, leads by some 2.5 lengths. And finally, King James, Be Smart, Star of the Future, Buntai Sure. Oh, that's Yang Bong Yang, Buntai.
Racing Jesse started with Lord Louis. Break quickly at the start. Running by the release Jumbo. West Pacol is on the outside. Next in line now is Shining Angel. Then followed now by Excellence, while a Stolen Moment is the early trailer. Half-mile distance they traveled with Lord Louis on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Jumbo is right behind in second. West Pacol now trying to get closer in third. Down in fourth now is Shining Angel. Excellence comes next, while a Stolen Moment is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn now we have Lord Louis. Then here comes Jumbo, now moving a body outside, and now says it's my turn to take the lead. It's now Jumbo by about 2 lengths, and in second is Lord Louis moving a body outside. Third is a West Pacola, and down the stretch they come. We have Jumbo this time by about 2 lengths. That on the inside second is Lord Louis, and on the outside third is West Pacola. Last 50 meters we have Jumbo, and finally Jumbo second, Lord Louis, West Pacola. Then comes
Way they go, Inyabra. Then moving up now by the outside is Bandido. Orientation is now Inyabra, Bandido, inclusion in between horses. Then 3 lengths for the back now, full control, then followed by Tatsama. While Luke Skywalker is running the tail of the field, and as they raise the corner now, Inyabra in front by half a length, down for the inside inclusion. Bandido, here comes full control now for the outside, and Tazama. Long way back, Luke Skywalker, and as they round a far turn, it is still Inyabra. Is Inyabra brushing up full control. Tazama now for the outside, and final turn now, full control. Here comes Tazama. For the outside and for the inside, Inyabra, then followed now by Bandido, and down the stretch they go. Tazama now takes the lead for full control, and in the finish line it's Tazama. Full control, Inyabra, and inclusion.
Racing Jesse started with Truth Maker. Break quickly at the start. Justifiable in the middle. Rushing up in the road portion now is so rooty and so humble. Comes next down on the inside now is Bini Bini. Then followed now by Badabadur, and now it's Lady of Peace. And going along for the first turn we have Truth Maker. And on the outside now is so rooty. Running by the release Justifiable. So humble, now moving your body outside. Next in line is Bini Bini, running by the release Badabadur. Lady of Peace comes next, then followed now by Golden 8. Inside the tres of Tabo, we have Truth Maker, the leader by about 3-4 palengli. Then here comes now moving a body outside to take the lead. home. We have so humble. I have to let the coming now it's 7 of diamonds. It's now 7 of diamonds. So humble in second and out which they come. 7 diamonds. So humble is fighting back and final is coming to me. So humble. That goes 7 of diamonds. Yeah, whatever.
There. On their way now, pay the lady and rushing up now from the outside is iikot lang. And as they settle now, it's iikot lang. Liz Malang. Moving up now. And as they settle now, it's now entry number 9. That's Bukawi River Town in front by Alenka. It's Bukawi River Town moving up now. Cassius King, pay the lady. Around the outside now is Sakalam. And as they raise the far turns, Bukawi River Town. Ikot lang Sakalam now by the outside. And as they raise the far turn now. And as they raise the far turn, is still Bukawi River Town. Moving up now. Isikot lang sa kalam now para outside. And final turn now, isikot lang and sa kalam now para outside and down the stretch they go. It is still iikot lang and sa kalam. And down to the finish now, it's anybody's race. And moving up, Darna. Nobody outside and hitting the finish line. It's going to be Darna. Cassius King. Stripe of pink and then you never know. There. Oh, Glenda's Magic. Looking for the leader is Glenda's Magic right outside now to the pond, then followed by top of the mark. One moving forward now, can you give, then followed by Bullet. Next in line is Lapping inside. And as they raise the far turn is Glenda's Magic being joined by Todo Pong now for the outside. Is Glenda's Magic and Todo Pong fighting it out for the lead, 2 lengths back top of the mark. And here comes Can You Give, then followed by Bullet. Next in line is Lapping inside and long way back to Charm and Luck. And final turn now, Glenda's Magic still in front, being chased by Todo Pong. Can you give now for the outside and followed by top of the mark? Can you give now grabs the lead over Glenda's Magic. Todo Pong right outside top of the mark, but still can you give winning this race. Second, Glenda's Magic. Third, close finish for 3 runners.
Heirloom. Horses out, aces grumble for front position. Steady got on the outside. Heirloom in between horses. Also moving up now is Buwayang Bato. We have Steady Cut. Heirloom. Jacqueline is running by Trail. Buwayang Bato comes next. 1 for the road. Heirloom, Steady Cut. Buwayang Bato, 3 wide on the outside. Jacqueline in fourth. 1 for the road. Then followed over by Habana Onana. Celebrity comes next on the outside. Silver Lining. And Kentucky Rain. Buwayang Bato. Heirloom. Jacqueline in third position. Steady Cut in fourth. 1 for the road in fifth. Habana Onana trying to get closer in 6. Celebrity and Kentucky Rain with Buwayang Bato this time by about 2 lengths. Heirloom still in second. Jacqueline on the outside. 1 for the road. Steady Cut, Habana Onana, Kentucky Rain and Celebrity. And it's still Buwayang Bato. Heirloom now trying to get closer in second. Kentucky Rain, Habana Onana. And it's still Buwayang Bato. Heirloom, Kentucky Rain, Habana Onana. As the field turns for home, Buwayang Bato, Heirloom, Jacqueline on the outside. Habana Onana, Kentucky Rain. It's now Heirloom, Kentucky Rain. Habana Onana in between horses. It's now Kentucky Rain. Habana Onana, Kentucky
Binabalaleng over Habana Onana and finally Kentucky Rain. Habana Onana, Jacqueline Heirloom. Then comes Celebrity.
Racing Jesse started with advance for the break quickly to start, running by the Redis Alindo. Rain go away, and on the outside now is Stadler, is Story, and going along for the first turn with the quick is riding advance party on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Alindog in second, Tatler Story is on the outside, rushing up down on the inside. Now is Love Radio. Alongside now is Magnifico. Half-mile distance, they traveled with advance party, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. And in second, Alindog. Then moving up on the outside is Tatler. A Story. Next in line is Love Radio. Then moving up now is Magnifico. Bagay na bagay comes next. Then on the inside now is a National Treasure. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have advance party moving up by the rail now is Alindog. And as they swing for home, we have Alindog. Moves up down on the inside to take the lead. Advance party fighting back on the outside. Then moving up now is Love Radio, and on the outside now is number 11 Tatler Story. And down to the finish it's going to be advance party Alindog. Then comes Close Love Radio, bagay na bagay, Magnifico.